The best compressed air piping systems. Rapid quotes, rapid install, RapidAir.
Welcome to RapidAir. Today I'm going to explain the new fittings available called the compressed fitting, a press type fitting. In the traditional piping world, there are several ways to join pipes together. There's black pipe that is threaded and copper that is soldered. We also have our MaxLine compression fitting that has a bite ring, O-ring, and a compression nut. When tightened down on the tubing, that makes the seal. So the new RapidAir compressed fitting has an O-ring and a sleeve that crimps down over the tubing. It's similar to what we call a ProPress tool in today's plumbing world. So sizes for the tubing range from 1/2 inch up to 2 inch in lengths up to 300 foot. The tubing can be used for compressed air, inert gas, non-potable water, and vacuum. It also can be buried directly underground or concrete. For installation, it's very simple. You're going to take your tubing, you're going to cut it to length with the supplied cutter. We want to make sure that we're not using a hacksaw, but we want a great, smooth, straight cut. Next, we're going to deburr the tubing. It's very important that the inside of the tubing is deburred with the supplied deburr tool. What this does is it makes the tubing round, so it's easy for the fitting to be inserted, but also there's some fine teeth that will cut the edge of the tubing and make sure that it's smooth and ready to insert into the fitting. Next, we want to take a tape measure, and using a marker, we're going to mark the insertion depth of the tubing, how far it goes into the fitting. This is critical. We want to make sure that the tubing is inserted into the fitting to the proper depth. That is pretty simple. All you're going to do is shove it on the fitting. And then there's a crimp tool. Now the crimp tool has interchangeable jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. The 2 inch size requires a hydraulic tool. So it's very simple. What we're going to do here is we're going to insert this fitting into the jaws. We're going to make sure that it's aligned, and then we're going to push down on the handle. And we've just made our seal, a permanent press fitting with a lifetime warranty. Behind me, you can see a layout of a variety of fittings. This system is what we call our compressed rigid system. It has stainless steel fittings with aluminum pipe. In the case of the composite tubing that we were talking about here, this is MaxLine, and it's a multi-layer tubing. There's 3 layers. There's an outer layer of plastic, a middle layer of aluminum, and finally an inner layer of plastic. Because it's multi-layer, the pressure rating is 232 psi, and it also can hold any shape. So you can see here how the tubing goes over to the wall outlet and holds its shape in a corner. There's no elbow even needed. And over here we have one of our wall outlets. It's a single port. Here we have a dual port outlet. These are a great connection point for air hoses and tools. There's quick couplers. There's moisture drains to rid your system of moisture. So you can see there's a variety of fittings and sizes available. Thanks for choosing RapidAir, and as always, check out RapidAirProducts.com. You can find piping, compressed air accessories, air treatment, and compressors. RapidAir is your one-stop shop for all of your air compressor needs. Our on-staff estimators can help you design the correct system to meet your needs. We have a 40,000 square foot warehouse, fully stocked and ready for shipment. We are easy to do business with. Our goal is to bless, impress, and cause you less stress. Thanks for watching.
The best compressed air piping systems. Rapid quotes, rapid install, RapidAir.